Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March 17, 2023. Real quick, we're going to do a price prediction for Ethereum because it is definitely beating the market expectations. And you guys can tell simply by looking at price trading above 1680 in Ethereum. That tells you that the market is definitely bullish rather than it's being bearish as of this particular moment. And look at how fast the market in Ethereum recovered or began to go higher following March the 10th, 2023. Here it is, March 17th. So 7 days into it, the market in Ethereum has went from a low of around 1370 to where it's trading around 1745. That's 27, almost 28% run in 7 days. That's crazy. So yeah, the market is currently beating expectations. Now I wanted to come in because currently we're noticing how Ethereum's price is breaking my horizontal line right here around 1705. I wanted to come in and speak about it. Now the market in Ethereum came and confirmed the trend line back here on March the 10th. I did a video on March the 11th, and that is when the market actually began to shoot up massively higher. So now what can we expect? Well, as of right now, the market is still bullish. Yeah, it's just that simple. We can tell how Ethereum is still bullish. The market even began some selling on yesterday's trading day. Now in the next 12 hours and 59 minutes, if we see the price in Ethereum close up here at the high of the bar, we have a little bit more gas into the tank to expect price to trend up. Now we may just see it run to $1,800 because that is another point to where the market in Ethereum got rejected, taking it all the way back to September of last year. Look at that. So that would have to be a logical area of resistance for us to jump off and take the profit around $1,800. That's the first logical place. Now, what's outside of that? Here's the 3-day price bar right here. This is how the market concluded in Ethereum right here on this 3-day price bar. Okay, so it's kind of like a wash. It resembles how no one inside the market, if you're playing teams, the buyers and the sellers, one side of the market didn't actually dominate the next. So on this current 3-day price bar, it's going to be real important on how this 3-day price bar ends. Now, looking at what happened prior to this massive spread, it kind of gives us that, kind of tells us that buyers are currently leading in the game. They're running the sellers out the way. Okay, so currently, given that that scenario is plastered on the chart, we have to maintain that Ethereum is more bullish than it is bearish at this particular moment. Okay. Here it is on the weekly chart. Look at the conclusion of that weekly price bar. That is why the market in Ethereum is currently going up. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, in the next 9 days and 13 hours. If we see the market in Ethereum close up here at the high of this 3 weekly price bar, then $2,000 will be my next target. So at least in the next 9 days and 13 hours, currently, like if today was the last day of this 3 weekly price bar that this arrow is pointing down to, if it was the last day, oh yeah, I would definitely be predicting that the market in Ethereum is running to 2,000 at least. But we don't have that time frame just yet. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm done. I'm just going to go ahead and play some strength into the market in Ethereum. I'm going to do 2 targets. My first is going to be $1,800 though. Okay. So we're going to look for $1,800 first. That is 3.13% in Ethereum. My second one is going to be 1,900. That's around 8.86%. And 2,000 ultimately is going to be my ultimate target for Ethereum, given how we're still seeing the strength on the 3 weekly time frame. But again, I want to wait until that 3 weekly price bar is ended prior to us actually dropping that target. And as long as Ethereum's price holds $1,500, we're going to expect price to trend higher. That's it. I am done. Welcome to the community. To those who are new, if you guys want to make sure you stay ahead of the game, ahead of the competition, then I would recommend that you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.